Cameron here to talk to you about another common problem that you'll find on your Volvo model. A lot of you are probably familiar with it, and that is an issue with the gas door hinge. The way these are attached on Volvo models, all the way back into the 700 series and up onto the brand new ones, is with this little plastic piece here. The whole door swings off that on a little spring. The way this thing is put in is with two little drive pins. You can kind of see it if you look closely here, but on the bottom and on the top right here, there's two little pieces. And the way that those go in is there's corresponding holes in the body, and there's these little kind of claws in the back there. So when you install the new one, those pieces go in, and then you have to take these pins and you tap them in, and that spreads open those claws in there to lock the thing in place. Works fine and dandy, but it's also being held in by plastic. So what that means is if you bump this thing a little bit or repeat it open and closing, it's just going to wear it out, and the weakest link is going to be that plastic. So you end up with either a fuel door that just falls off completely or is hanging off one side and all flappy. Solution to that is actually pretty simple, which is nice, and that's just replacing this hinge piece. They're super cheap. We've got them as little kits that have instructions that show you how to all do it. We've got the new replacement spring if you happen to lose that, and a lot of the models will even have a replacement fuel door if you lost yours on the side of the highway. You'll have to color match it yourself or take it to a body shop to have them do that, but still nothing that big to get everything back to normal so that there's nothing getting in your gas tank, the door actually opens and closes like normal, and everything's back to how it should be.